Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change an Audi key fob battery. First, gather your materials. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. These batteries are widely available and inexpensive. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in, as the components are small. This simple task can save you a trip to the dealership. Next, let's open the key fob. Locate the small release button on the side of your fob and press it to slide out the emergency key blade. This reveals a small seam. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this seam. Gently twist the screwdriver to pry open the two halves of the key fob casing. Be careful not to force it. Now it's time to replace the battery. Inside, you'll see the old coin cell battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Then, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one. Finally, let's reassemble and test. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely snapped shut. Slide the emergency key blade back into its slot. Now, test your key fob by locking and unlocking your Audi. It should work perfectly, restoring full functionality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.